Hello everyone, this is a video on non-lodgement. What exactly is mean non-lodgement? Non-lodgement means you are not lodging your tax. So see, basically everyone has to lodge their taxes every year with Australian Taxation Office. It is not about getting a refund, or it is not about amount you are paying to tax office. It is about declaring your income. By law, you have to declare how much income you have earned inside Australia and outside Australia, inside and outside Australia, and just to double check if the taxes you have paid are they sufficient. If you have paid more, you get a refund. If you have paid less, obviously then you have to pay tax. So the main issue is you have to declare your income by lodging a tax. How you can lodge a tax? You have to lodge you can lodge via my tax or by registered tax agent, or you can lodge a paper tax form. With my tax or registered tax agent, it will take 7 to 10 days. With us, you get some money in 1 hour. But if you lodge a paper tax return, that takes about 4 to 8 weeks, sometimes 12 weeks. It takes a very long form. It takes a very long time, so it's not worth it to lodge a paper tax return. What is non-lodgement? Non-lodgement means you are not lodging your tax return. So not lodging, non-lodgement means you have to fill a form. It's an online form which you have to fill, which shows in which you tell that I am not lodging a tax. Why are you not lodging a tax? The tax office is very clear. When your income is below the threshold, which is 18,200, and no tax has been taken out, means you worked somewhere and the tax was zero. But if the tax has been deducted, then you have to lodge a tax return. So both the conditions you should meet: under 18,200 and no tax has been taken out. There are some exceptional circumstances, but we won't go into that. So let's move to the next slide. We will share very important information. Now, how to lodge the non-lodgement? It's very simple. You can lodge it with your my tax services, with your online services, or you can lodge it with tax agent. They will lodge it via tax agent portal, or there is one more way: you can lodge it a paper form. You can order a non-lodgement form, fill it up and send it to tax office. But I would recommend go to an agent, or you can lodge it with my tax, which you can do it yourself via the app. Now, what happens if you do not lodge a tax return and you do not lodge non-lodgement also? You just think, oh, my income is 10,000, I'm not supposed to lodge, so you do not declare it. You do not lodge your tax and you do not lodge non-lodgement form also. What are the consequences? Well, the consequences can be bad. You can be hit with a penalty, not now, but after 2, 3, 5, 8, or maybe 10 years. How much is the penalty as of now? The penalty, as you can see on the screen, it is $275 for 1 unit. You can be charged for 5 units, so 275 into 5 is 1375. For each lodgement which you have not done, for each year non-lodgement not done, you can be hit with a penalty of 1375, which is 5 penalty units. As you can see, all these figures are from ATO website. I have copied from there. What is FTL penalty? FTL is failure to lodge on time. So if you fail to lodge on time a tax return or a non-lodgement declaration, ATO can hit you with this. Do they hit every time? Not always, but it all depends on their system. It is all computerized these days. So a lot of our clients do get non-lodgement for 2010 or 2015 or 2018. They have not lodged. They say their income is zero, but ATO computer does not know what's your income for that year. It will just pick up a person and it will hit you with a penalty. You will get a letter. You have not lodged for this year. This is the penalty unit and this is what you have to pay. This penalty is for every year of not lodging, irrespective you have income in that year or not. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is you don't miss the boat. As you can see, the last date is 31st October. 31st October is the last date of lodging tax return. Financial year ends on 30th of June. Last date of lodgement is 31st October. Tax agents get some extra time, but do not rely on that extra time. Why not lodge before 31st October if you have simple tax affairs, right? Lodge before 31st October and avoid ATO system generated. This penalty system is system generated. You will get a letter after 2, 3, 5, 10 years. So what you have to do, if you're not sure, you can check your MyGov account that which year you have not lodged. If your income was less than threshold in that year and no tax has been paid, no tax has been deducted, then you can lodge it yourself, non-lodgement declaration, or you can register on our website. We will find out free of charge for you that which year you have to lodge non-lodgement declaration. Okay, so you can register on our website. Simple, just fill your basic details. We will register, we will call you. Once you register, we will call you and we will inform you these years are pending. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this this video is clear to you. It was a very basic video on people who have got a low income, people who have got uh, like income is below threshold and they are not aware, or they were overseas sometimes, or their income is very less and they think that they are not getting a refund, so why should we lodge it? The lodgement is not for refund. The lodgement is to declare your income. Even if you have zero income, you need to declare it that this is my income. By law, everyone has to declare it. So follow the law, declare on time, lodge on time, or file a non-declaration form. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.